see if we can get the full version. Well, I heard there was a secret chord David played and it pleased the Lord. Ah, but you don't really care for music, do you? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lift. The baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Well, now, baby, I've been here before. I've seen this room and I walked this floor. I used to live alone before I knew you. And I've seen your sign on the marble arch. And love is not a victory march. It's a cold and it's a broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Well, your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. Well, she tied you to her kitchen chair, broke your throne and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Well, now maybe there's a God above, but all I've ever learned of love was how to shoot somebody who outdrew you. And it doesn't matter what you've heard, there's a blaze of light in every word, the holy or the broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Well, now I couldn't feel, so I tried to touch. I did my best, it wasn't much, but I told the truth and I did not come to fool ya. And even though it all went wrong, I'll stand before the Lord of song with nothing on my tongue but hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah.